Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In today's video, we will compare IB with CBSE. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE and the International Baccalaureate IB are two popular education systems in India. CBSE is a national board while IB is an international education board offering programs for students aged 3 to 19. Choosing between these systems can be challenging for parents and students. The CBSE curriculum follows the National Curriculum Framework designed by the NCERT. It is divided into primary classes 1 to 5 and secondary classes 6 to 12 stages. CBSE focuses on maths, science, languages, social sciences, and arts to build a strong foundation. In contrast, the IB curriculum aims to provide a comprehensive and internationally recognized education. It remains the same worldwide and is centered around the IB learner profile, which develops skills and deeper understanding. IB emphasizes inquiry-led instruction, conceptual understanding, and interdisciplinary learning. CBSE relies on memorization and textbook learning, while IB promotes critical thinking, questioning, and exploring ideas. CBSE has introduced new teaching methodologies like experiential, project-based, and activity-based learning. IB focuses on developing life skills and deeper conceptual understanding. CBSE assesses students through final exams at the end of each year, with recent inclusion of continuous evaluation. IB combines internal assessment, which is assignments, projects, and presentation, and external exams. IB assesses knowledge, understanding, critical thinking, and communication skills. If you look at the grading system of CBSE and IB differ in terms of the scale used and the range of grades. CBSE uses a numerical grading system for classes 9 and 10 and a letter grading system for classes 11 and 12. For classes 9 and 10, CBSE uses a 9-point grading scale from A1 to E2. While for class 11 and 12, CBSE uses a 5-point grading scale from A to E. On the other hand, IB uses a 7-point grading scale for its diploma program, DP, with grades ranging from 7 to 1, where 7 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. CBSE is recognized by Indian universities and colleges, but not internationally. Students interested in higher education abroad may need additional courses or exams. IB is recognized worldwide, highly respected by universities, and pursued by many countries. Which curriculum is good for students? The question of which curriculum is good for students depends on various factors, including the educational goals, learning style, and individual needs of the student. Different curricula have different approaches and philosophies, and what may work well for one student may not necessarily work for another. It is important to consider factors such as curriculum's alignment with educational standard, its focus on critical thinking and problem-solving skills, its ability to cater to individual learning needs, and its track record of success. Ultimately, the choice between CBSE and IB depends on individual needs and preference. CBSE suits those preferring a traditional approach and planning to study in India. IB suits those interested in an international, interdisciplinary approach and planning to study abroad. Both CBSE and IB provide high-quality education with strengths and weaknesses. Motivated and dedicated students can succeed regardless of the curriculum chosen. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.